Your home's windows and doors do more than provide access and natural light. They protect your family, improve comfort, and boost curb appeal. But like every part of your home, they eventually wear down. For homeowners in Fleming Island, where the climate brings hot summers, seasonal storms, and plenty of humidity, keeping windows and doors in top shape is especially important. If you're not sure whether it's time to upgrade, here are the top signs your windows or doors may need replacing. Drafts and temperature fluctuations. Do you notice hot spots near your windows in the summer or chilly drafts in winter? That's a clear sign your windows or doors are no longer sealing properly. Worn-out frames and broken weather stripping allow outside air to enter your home, making it harder to keep rooms comfortable. Impact on your home. Your HVAC system works overtime, driving up energy bills. Solution: modern replacement windows and doors feature insulated frames, double or triple pane glass, and tight seals that eliminate drafts and help regulate indoor temperatures. Rising energy bills. If your electric bill seems unusually high, your windows and doors could be the culprit. Fleming Island's warm climate means air conditioning runs for much of the year. Inefficient or outdated windows and doors let cool air escape, forcing your AC system to work harder. Impact on your home. Increased wear and tear on your HVAC system and higher monthly costs. Solution: energy-efficient replacements reduce heat transfer, saving money and helping your home stay comfortable year-round. Difficulty opening or closing. If your windows stick when you try to open them or your doors scrape against the frame, it's a sign of damage or warping. In Fleming Island, humidity and moisture can cause wood to swell, while older frames may simply wear out over time. Impact on your home. Frustration during daily use, reduced ventilation, and potential security issues if locks don't align. Solution: new windows and doors operate smoothly, provide reliable locks, and enhance convenience. Visible damage or deterioration. Cracked glass, peeling paint, rotting wood, or dents in your doors don't just look bad, they compromise performance. Moisture intrusion from damaged frames can lead to mold, mildew, and even structural issues. Impact on your home. Reduced protection from the elements and diminished curb appeal. Solution: replacement windows and doors offer durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or steel that resist rot, warping, and moisture damage common in Florida's climate. Condensation between window panes. Do your windows look foggy even after cleaning? If you see condensation trapped between the panes, it means the insulating seal has failed. This not only reduces visibility but also signals that your windows are no longer energy efficient. Impact on your home. Reduced insulation and rising cooling costs. Solution: modern windows with advanced glass technology prevent condensation while improving efficiency and clarity. Noise from outdoors. If outside traffic, neighbors, or even nature sounds seem louder than they should, your windows and doors may no longer provide adequate soundproofing. Impact on your home. Less peace and quiet indoors, making it harder to relax. Solution: replacement products with multi-pane glass and insulated frames block unwanted noise while keeping your home more comfortable. Outdated style and poor curb appeal. Sometimes, the biggest sign it's time for a change is simply the way your windows or doors look. Outdated styles, faded finishes, or mismatched designs can bring down your home's overall appearance. Impact on your home. Lower property value and diminished curb appeal. Solution: new windows and doors instantly refresh your home's exterior while offering modern designs that match your style. Final thoughts. If you've noticed drafts, rising energy bills, or difficulty operating your windows and doors, it may be time to consider replacement. For Fleming Island homeowners, upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows and doors means better comfort, lower costs, enhanced security, and improved curb appeal. Investing in replacements isn't just about fixing problems, it's about making your home safer, more beautiful, and more enjoyable for years to come.